friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. Today I'm going to show you this super cute leaf for your craft. See how beautiful it looks. It comes in 3D effect of the leaves. See, this pattern comes by folding the papers. For that we need craft paper, scale, scissor and a pencil. So let's start. Paper, fold it into half. This side is open. We'll draw the pattern of the leaf here. Just cut it. Cut it. See, I have cutted this leaves. Just keep it folded, and now we'll make with the help of the scale. Just keep the scale in slant and just fold this. Now we'll make a fan fold in this small slant fan folds. Just press it and slowly open it. See how 3D effect comes. This is the first type of leaf. Now we'll go for second one. Take the paper, fold it into half. And you can draw any pattern you like. Here I am drawing zigzag pattern. Just cut it. See, I have cutted this. So this one. Now on the first leaf we have done the slant line fold. Now we'll do a little bit this much only, 20 degree you can see, and just make a fan fold. So this. Make a fan fold. See, I have folded this. Just press it so that the line comes. And just open it. So this. Be very careful while opening it up. So this. See how beautiful it looks. So these are the two leaves I have made today. I hope you like my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification of my new uploads. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.